Distance closes as processing environments draw near. Flow is designed to prevent disruption at every step. Every industrial journey begins at a controlled and measured source. Consistency starts long before machines ever engage. Documentation and care establish trust in the process. With preparation complete, movement toward the facility begins. Stability is secured before motion ever begins.
Every transition is controlled, measured, and deliberate.
Distance closes as processing environments draw near. Arrival marks the handoff from field to facility. Precision alignment prepares the system for entry. The facility stands ready, engineered for controlled transformation. Flow is designed to prevent disruption at every step.
Access is granted only when conditions align.
Preparation begins with controlled surface cleansing.
Careful handling preserves consistency from the outset. Moisture control prepares materials for the next stage. Precision routing maintains uninterrupted flow. Initial conditioning completes the foundation of processing.
Core processing begins with controlled positioning.
Accuracy is established before any operation proceeds.
Verification precedes transformation.
With systems aligned, the process advances. Transformation occurs within strictly controlled systems. Isolation ensures consistency and safety. Automation replaces variability with precision. Completion triggers the next controlled movement. Transformation concludes, handing control to precision systems. Automation takes over with repeatable precision. Data guides every movement without interruption. Consistency is enforced by machine accuracy. Systems handoff without breaking flow. Alignment prepares the line for final refinement. Refinement begins where precision replaces force. Exact tolerances define the quality standard.
Uniformity is achieved through controlled motion. Details are resolved where margins matter most.
Completion signals readiness for verification.
Verification begins where standards are measured.
Every detail is examined without compromise.
Data confirms consistency beyond visual checks. Only verified output moves forward. Quality clearance opens the final stage.
Completion moves into protection and preservation. Final handling safeguards consistency achieved.
Organization prepares output for movement.
Storage bridges production and distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce Bison leather from start to finish.